following segment is sponsored by Oakdale Egg Farms.
Well, welcome to the kitchen, everybody. This is a hamburger that I loved in Brazil. We'd have them all the time in Brazil. It's an egg burger. We're going to start with the Oakdale eggs. No antibiotics, no hormones, cage-free, delicious eggs. And I'm going to start by just frying up one because this is going to go on the actual burger itself when it's all cooked and put together. And what I do when I do them in a frying pan like this is I kind of wait for the sides to get a little set, and then what I'll do is just kind of move those in so it retains a shape that'll go better on top of the burger. So here we go. We're just going to move that in there. Add a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper to taste. So let's add some salt on there. A little bit of black pepper is going to go on there. And then I cover the pan with some foil so that it is a sunny side up egg, and I don't have to worry about it breaking and trying to turn it over. So once you get that all shaped so it'll go on top of the burger, give that a little cover, voila, and we're gonna let that basically sunny side up cook. Now I have some meat here, and this is a meat, it's got some hamburger in there, it has some pork, ground pork in there. It's actually the meat that I was using for the meatball sandwiches earlier this week, and it's gonna make a great burger to go with our Oakdale eggs. So what you're gonna do, spray your hands with some vegetable spray. You're gonna just press out that patty to make sure you've got it thin and it's large enough to fit on the hamburger shell itself, the bun. And then just press that out and onto the grill. You can do these in a pan, you can do these in the oven if you want to bake them that way. You can take them out on the grill, however you want to cook them. Just cook them so that they're fully cooked through. And guys, I got to tell you, hamburgers should always be cooked all the way through. They should not be served rare. I don't know how places get away with that because it is mixed meat, and so what was on the outside is on the inside, and food safety, that's got to be cooked to at least 165 degrees. So make sure it's all the way cooked through. Our egg is ready. Guys, when we come back, we're going to put this all together, and I think you're going to be surprised at what else I put on this burger.
Okay.
I know Ron will.
Oh, yeah.
You're kind of giving it away there.
Maybe.
Okay.
Segment is sponsored by Oakdale Egg Farms.
You'll go to Chef Brian's party, right?
Yeah. He always has great food.
Yeah, Ron doesn't have to go to another party. He has me here right now. What are you talking about?
Well, this is going to be our party today.
Let's finish these up. And so I've taken the hamburger buns and I actually grilled them off so they're nice and toasted, and I think that adds a lot of flavor. I made some guacamole. You can make your favorite guacamole however you want, and this is going to be the spread on the burger itself. I love guacamole on burgers. I think they're so good. So we're going to put that onto there, and then I grilled off some good old Costco ham. That's going to go right on there next. And then I'm going to add on to it, you know, a nice piece of lettuce, and then I'll fold the lettuce so that it fits onto the bun itself. Once that goes onto there, you know, a couple of slices of some tomato on there. Some red onion is going to be delicious as well. The guacamole has salt and pepper in it, so I'm not going to add salt and pepper on it at this point. So you can just do it however you want to according to taste. Now I have the hamburger that we cooked up earlier right on top of there. And I have the Oakdale egg that we cooked up, and I wanted to show you the two different styles. I mean, you can do many different styles, but however you choose to cook them. This one's an over easy, a little more runny, so when you bite into it, it'll be that much more delicious. More over medium, if you want them over hard, however you want, you can cook them up and serve up these amazing egg burgers with the Oakdale eggs. Now remember, Oakdale eggs, no hormones, no antibiotics, high in omega-3s, and they are readily available at all grocery stores around the area. So they're a great option, and I can personally vouch for the family. They're a great family. Grew up with them up there in Preston. Great folks. So this recipe is right on cookingwithchefbrian.com. Head on over there, grab the recipe, enjoy it for dinner tonight, and make some more for the game here. And you can also go to KUTV.com and grab the recipe. And don't forget to pick up those Oakdale eggs at the grocery store so that you can really make a delicious egg burger.
That looks so good.
It really does. Okay, we'll